Have you ever wondered how much devastation could be avoided if we could predict disasters? Let's take a moment and think about it. For centuries, humans have sought ways to foresee calamities, from ancient seers interpreting omens to modern meteorologists analyzing weather patterns. And while these traditional methods have provided us with some useful insights, they've also had their limitations. In the past, disaster prediction was largely based on observing natural phenomena and spotting patterns. For instance, unusual animal behavior, changes in water levels, or shifts in weather patterns were all seen as potential harbingers of a looming disaster. However, these signs were often vague, inconsistent, and relied heavily on human interpretation. As a result, many predictions were inaccurate, leading to false alarms, or worse, a lack of warning altogether. Enter technology. As we've progressed into the digital age, we've started to harness the power of technology to predict disasters with increasing accuracy. Through the use of sophisticated algorithms and vast amounts of data, we can now analyze patterns on a scale that was previously unimaginable. Take, for example, seismic sensors that monitor the Earth's vibrations, helping us anticipate earthquakes. Or meteorological satellites that track weather systems from space, providing early warnings for storms and hurricanes. And it's not just about prediction, but also risk assessment. With technology, we can simulate various disaster scenarios and assess potential damage, allowing us to prepare and respond more effectively. It's clear that technology has revolutionized the way we approach disaster prediction and risk assessment, providing us with tools that are more efficient, accurate, and reliable than ever before. But this is just the beginning. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for its application in disaster prediction are virtually limitless. As we delve into the future, the role of technology in predicting disasters becomes increasingly critical. From artificial intelligence to satellite technology, we'll be exploring these fascinating topics in the upcoming scenes. So stay tuned as we embark on this journey into the cutting-edge world of disaster prediction. Let's take a look at how artificial intelligence was used to predict earthquakes in real time. Our journey takes us to the renowned Los Alamos National Laboratory, nestled in the heart of New Mexico. Here, a group of dedicated scientists have been using AI to unravel the mysteries of seismic activity. The team at Los Alamos has developed a machine learning algorithm that learns from enormous amounts of seismic data. This seismic data, collected from various parts of the world, is like a vast library of Earth's rumblings. The algorithm dives into this library, learning to recognize the subtle patterns and signals that precede an earthquake. The beauty of this system lies in its ability to learn and improve continuously. With each new piece of data, the algorithm refines its understanding, becoming more accurate in its predictions. It's like a detective, getting better at spotting clues with each new case. But how has this improved the timeliness of predictions, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in the sheer speed at which AI can process data. Traditional methods of prediction, dependent on human analysis, are slow and often inaccurate. In contrast, the AI system at Los Alamos can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, spotting potential earthquakes in real time. This AI-driven approach has yielded some impressive results. In fact, the system has been able to predict seismic events days, even weeks, before they occur. This gives communities precious time to prepare and potentially save lives. But the impact of this technology extends beyond prediction. The data generated by the machine learning system has provided new insights into the very nature of earthquakes. We've learned more about how they start, how they progress, and how they end. This knowledge is invaluable, helping us to better understand and prepare for these natural disasters. This AI system has not only enhanced our ability to predict earthquakes, but has also revolutionized our understanding of how they occur. As we move forward, it's clear that artificial intelligence will continue to play a critical role in our fight against natural disasters. Now let's shift our attention to the skies and see how satellite technology has transformed flood forecasting. Imagine a world where we can detect floods before they happen, enabling us to evacuate people and save countless lives. This is no longer a dream, but a reality made possible by satellite technology. A prime example is NASA's use of satellites in flood forecasting in Bangladesh, one of the world's most flood-prone countries. Bangladesh is crisscrossed by hundreds of rivers that frequently burst their banks, causing severe flooding and loss of life. But thanks to satellite technology, this scenario is changing. By using satellites, NASA has been able to monitor rainfall patterns and water levels in the rivers, predict when and where floods will occur, and provide early warnings to the authorities and the people. The system works by harnessing the power of remote sensing. Satellites orbiting our planet capture data on rainfall and river levels, which is then processed and analyzed. This information is used to create flood forecasts, which are then disseminated to the relevant authorities and communities. The beauty of this technology is that it provides a real-time, comprehensive view of the situation on the ground, something that would be impossible to achieve with conventional methods. The impact of this technology has been profound. Since its implementation, it has helped predict floods with a lead time of up to 3 days, allowing ample time for evacuation and preparation. This has resulted in a significant reduction in loss of life and property. Yet, the true potential of satellite technology in flood forecasting goes beyond just early warning. It also plays a crucial role in post-flood recovery and planning. By providing accurate data on the extent and severity of flooding, it assists in damage assessment and the allocation of resources for recovery efforts. So what does this all mean? It means that with satellite technology, we're not just reacting to disasters anymore. We're predicting them, preparing for them, and even mitigating their impact. By giving us a bird's-eye view, satellite technology has indeed become a game-changer in flood forecasting. So, what does the future hold for disaster prediction? An intriguing question, isn't it? Well, the future is here, and it's brimming with potential, thanks to the emerging technologies like Internet of Things, sensors, drone technology, and big data analytics. Let's start with Internet of Things, or IoT sensors. These tiny but mighty devices could be the key to real-time disaster monitoring. They can be placed virtually anywhere, from the depths of the ocean to the tops of mountains, continuously gathering and transmitting data. Imagine a network of these sensors, constantly monitoring the Earth's movements, weather patterns, and more. They could potentially detect the early signs of a disaster, such as an earthquake or a storm, giving us precious time to prepare and respond. Now, let's take to the skies with drone technology. Drones, equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, can provide a bird's-eye view of disaster-prone areas. They can monitor changes in the environment that could signal an impending disaster. But that's not all. In the aftermath of a disaster, drones can quickly survey the damage, helping to assess the risk and coordinate the response efforts. Lastly, we have big data analytics. In a world where data is the new oil, big data analytics is the engine that drives disaster prediction. It can process the massive amounts of data collected by IoT sensors and drones, identifying patterns and predicting potential disasters. More than that, it can also help us understand the impact of these disasters, enabling us to better prepare and mitigate the risks. These technologies, when combined, could revolutionize disaster prediction. They can provide us with a real-time, comprehensive picture of our planet and its many moods. They can alert us to potential disasters before they strike, giving us a fighting chance to protect ourselves and our communities. They can help us assess the risks, plan our response, and recover more quickly when disaster does strike. With these technologies, the future of disaster prediction indeed looks promising. The future is not just about predicting disasters, but about using technology to create a safer, more resilient world. And that is a future worth striving for. While we can't prevent disasters, technology can certainly help us predict and prepare for them. This statement echoes the essence of our exploration today. We've traversed the terrain of technological advancements, delving deep into the ways they aid in disaster prediction and risk assessment. We've seen how the power of prediction can alleviate the impact of natural calamities, saving countless lives and infrastructure in the process. The ability to predict is indeed a superpower in the realm of disaster management. It's like having a crystal ball powered by cutting-edge technology, providing us a glimpse into the future, enabling us to take timely action. We've also discovered how artificial intelligence's precision and speed is revolutionizing earthquake prediction. AI is not just about creating virtual assistants or self-driving cars. Its far-reaching capabilities extend to predicting seismic activities, deciphering patterns that would otherwise remain unnoticed by human analysts. Our journey took us to the orbits next, where we learned about the role of satellite technology in flood forecasting. Satellites, our eyes in the sky, provide critical data enabling us to forecast floods with increased accuracy, offering us a chance to mitigate the devastation caused by such events. And finally, we ventured into the future of disaster prediction. The horizon is promising with advancements in technology, offering us a beacon of hope. The future is one where we can effectively predict, prepare for, and reduce the impact of disasters, making our world a safer place to inhabit. In a world where change is the only constant, staying informed about these advancements is crucial. They are not just reshaping our present, but also molding our future. For more insights into how technology is shaping our future, subscribe to Tech Talk Central. Remember, the future is not something we enter, it's something we create. And with technology at our disposal, we have the power to create a future that's prepared, resilient, and safe. The future is in your hands.